Here's another neat way that you can include clients with particular reservations. Click on Customer Reservation, and anyone that has a reservation to a particular destination. Let's pick Disney. This would go to anyone with a Disney reservation. Doesn't matter whether it's Disney World, Disneyland, any of these locations. Let's say we want to go a little deeper here and send it to anyone with a Disney Cruise Line reservation. We can do that. We also could send to anyone maybe with a Carnival Cruise reservation too. Maybe we want to dig a little deeper. We want to send to Disney clients with a Disney Cruise Line reservation just on the Disney Fantasy. Maybe we want to send also to the folks with a Carnival reservation and a Carnival Cruise. So this would go to any client on, let's pick the Carnival Breeze, on a Carnival Cruise to the Carnival Breeze and a Disney cruise on the Disney Fantasy. We can pick the dates that we want that to go out to those clients that are traveling between those dates. So remember, if you choose products up here and you don't designate any further, it's going to go to clients with any type of Disney reservation and any type of Carnival reservation. If you want to dig a little deeper, choose, maybe particular Carnival ship, you can do it that way. This example will go to anyone with a Carnival Cruise on the Carnival Dream and Carnival Ecstasy, and also anyone with any type of Disney reservation.